Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's Jacob coming at you with another video. In this one, we are going to talk about making 20K a month with network marketing versus what I focus on, which is helping people with high ticket affiliate marketing, okay? The reason this is the topic for today is I did a call with a lady this morning who is moving over to high ticket affiliate marketing from network marketing. And she was very successful with her network marketing business over about 5 years. She managed to build a big team, was making good money, but ultimately became kind of burnt out with it, and has moved over to the high ticket affiliate marketing business model for some of the reasons that we're going to talk about in this video today. Okay, before we jump into that, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. And if you want to get into high ticket affiliate marketing, you can check out the links in the description. New program that we've recently launched in the last week and a bit, the Super Affiliate Intensive. That'll be the first link. It's $50. You can jump in and get that foundation set up when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing. You'll get training, you'll get access to the group, you'll get a call with someone on my team to help you build a custom plan, and you can see what it is all about. Okay, so check that out. Links in the description. But yeah, so I had a call with a lovely lady this morning who was Australian as well, and we were talking through a few things. We're helping her really map out a plan of how she could tackle the high ticket affiliate marketing game, leveraging what she's already got, some of stuff from her network marketing days, some of the stuff she's been building over the last few months since she's got involved in this space. And I don't have a lot of experience when it comes to the network marketing world, so it was really interesting for me to talk to somebody who had achieved, you know, a very high level of success in that space and in that industry over an extended period of time. I think she said the company she was with, she got up to the second highest level, and she was making about 25K a month when it all kind of became a bit too much, and she elected to move on, which was about 12 months ago. And you know, 25K a month, that is a very, very good income. You're talking about 300 grand a year, which, you know, the significant majority of people that get into network marketing will never hit that goal. And obviously we've had students come through my programs that have gone on to do that level and more, and I know what they have to do in order to hit that level. So it was really interesting for me on this call to talk to somebody who hit that level, but with a different business model, right? With network marketing as opposed to high ticket affiliate marketing. So she was telling me that over the space of 5 and a bit years, she built up a team of about 6,000 people, and that big team hitting the second level in her company was what was producing her 25K a month. 6,000 people in a team. Now that is a lot. That is a big organization. Contrast that to, you know, what you can do with high ticket affiliate marketing, which is if you've got a product that is making you $800 or $1,000 a sale, the volume of people that you either need to sell to directly or have someone else sell on your behalf is significantly less. Now, obviously it's a different model, and with network marketing, you've got a lot of layers and stuff, so she wouldn't have had to sell all those people directly. But from a simple volume perspective, the difference is massive, right? And we spoke about, you know, how appealing it is that when she gets into this space, she'll be directly compensated and heavily compensated for the work that she does and the products that she promotes, receiving, you know, 40-50% commissions depending on the programs that she ends up promoting. That's the range we play in with our program as well, is 40 to 50%, depending on if we do the closing for you or if you elect to do it yourself. But yeah, the massive difference in volume in order to hit that income level. Now, I don't know how much, you know, day-to-day work was involved in kind of managing an operation of that size, but from what I can understand, and from talking to a few people in network marketing as well, you know, you're very restricted in terms of what you can promote. You can't mix and match products. You can't, you know, promote anything that might be seen to be competing. So if you're you know, if you're out there and you're either looking at different business models and you're thinking, should I go down the network marketing path? Should I go down the affiliate marketing path? Specifically high ticket affiliate marketing. Just think about some of these stats that I'm kind of sharing with you. You know, that's the kind of size team that you might have to look at building if that's the income level that you want to hit, versus high ticket affiliate marketing, you know, one sale a day, one person a day that you get to say yes, or that a team upsells for you if you use a system where someone else does the phone selling for you, can get you to about that income mark. Now, I'm not saying it's easy, it's still going to take a lot of work, but in terms of the sheer volume of people, you're going to be able to get in front of, you know, one yes a day a lot faster than building an organization or a team of 6,000 people, in my opinion, right? Unless you're like some master team builder who, you know, can really rally a group of people. A little bit before I did that call, I was actually on an interview with another student who has gone on to hit the 20K a month mark with high ticket affiliate marketing. And he's done that in the last, he joined our program in January, and he took a little bit of time off. I think he kicked things off really in about March or April. And last month I know he cracked the 20K a month mark. So, you know, with high ticket affiliate marketing, with the right training and the right coaching and the right mentorship, you can get there in a pretty fast amount of time if you are consistent and you show up and do the work every day and you follow the right frameworks, but you get creative and, you know, you're resourceful and you really embrace the business model. You can get there pretty quickly. It's definitely possible for someone willing to do the work and be coachable and follow the training. And you don't need to sell to a lot of people. You don't need a lot of customers, right? You can really focus in on who you want to sell to, who you want to work with. You don't need to drive, you know, thousands and thousands and thousands of clicks. You don't need a ton of traffic, because one conversion can be, you know, an $800 commission, right? I just jumped off a call and closed a sale that was for another lady, and it was an $800 commission for her, right? And that's boom, one person, plus a couple of other sales early on. So if you want to compare the two and look at, you know, how many people do you need to reach with your business or with your organization or with your product or whatever it is that you're selling, think about the difference there in terms of pure volume, right? Now, I'm not having a go at network marketing. I don't know enough specifically about the industry, but for me, it was really interesting to talk to somebody who had achieved that level of success and then compare it to, you know, what I've done myself and what my students have done when they get to that level. The amount of people you've had to reach, the volume you have to have put through your business, month to month, kind of how things can change, the amount of workload, all those kind of things. Really interesting to see. So if you've been trying to decide on what model is for you, hopefully that gives you some insights into one of the reasons that you might want to consider high ticket affiliate marketing as opposed to network marketing. Or if you've been really struggling with network marketing and just, you know, maybe you've brought a few people in, but, you know, it's just not cutting it from a margin perspective, from the amount that you make per sale perspective, then you might want to check out high ticket affiliate marketing. You're going to need way less volume and you're going to get paid way higher per customer. Okay, if you want help with that stuff, you can check out the links in the description. Jump into the Super Affiliate Intensive. It's a new program that I've just released. Like I said, we'll give you a 4-day intensive training where we're going to walk you through mindset, offer creation, conversion strategies, and how to build an audience. We'll also get you into the group. We'll also jump on a call with you so that we can help you develop a custom plan, and you can really see, you know, how can you take those 4 pillars and plug that into what you want to achieve, your current situation, your strengths, what you do want to work on, what you don't want to work on, all that kind of stuff. I'll help you come up with a plan that fits you and your situation. Okay, so have a think about that if you've been considering network marketing, or if you're in network marketing and you've been struggling, and you want to be able to sell more expensive things so you get paid a higher commission. You want to be able to deal with less people. You want to need, you know, less traffic, focus on quality over quantity, all those kind of things. High ticket affiliate marketing is definitely a business model that you want to look at. It's such a powerful model when it comes to leveraging small audiences, be it a Facebook group, be it a YouTube channel, right? You don't have to create your own product, and you can make big ticket sales with a small audience, right? I've seen it time and time and time again, completely change things for people. They don't need a ton of traffic, right? They don't need a huge group. They don't need to run tens of thousands of dollars in Facebook ads. They don't need 100,000 subscribers. With the right strategies, you can very heavily monetize an audience with high ticket, and then high ticket affiliate marketing in particular, you don't need to worry about any of the back end. You don't have to create the product. So it fits really, really well. Okay, have a think about a few of the things that I've mentioned in this video. If you want to get into high ticket affiliate marketing, check out the links in the description. I'll talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Cheers.